Did your TEMU order not quite live up to expectations? Don't worry, getting a refund or returning items on TEMU is easier than you think. First, open your TEMU app or go to TEMU's website and sign into your account. Next, navigate to your orders. This is usually found in your profile section. Tap on your orders to see a list of everything you've purchased. Find the order containing the item you want to return or get a refund for and click on Return. Refund if it's been longer than TEMU's return window, usually 30 days. You will not see this button. Now, select the item or items you wish to return. Then, choose the reason for your return from the drop-down menu. Be as specific as possible. Some common reasons include damaged item, wrong item received, or doesn't fit. On the next screen, you'll likely see your refund options, like TEMU credit or a refund to your original payment method. Select your preferred option. TEMU usually offers free return shipping. Once your return is approved, you'll receive a free return shipping label. Print the label and securely attach it to your package. Drop it off at the designated shipping carrier mentioned in the instructions. After TEMU receives and processes your return, you'll receive your refund. You can usually check the status of your refund within the app. The time frame can vary, but it usually takes a few business days. And that's it. You've successfully returned an item or requested a refund on TEMU. If you run into any issues, contact TEMU customer support for help. Happy shopping!